Where did this come from? I don't know. Packages fall from skies these days. So we have an Anker 737, but what's the speciality of this power bank? 24,000 milliamps. Let's unbox it. You know, this is my weapon of choice. Anyways, but yeah. As you guys can see, I am a professional samurai. What am I doing with my life? Oh, it comes down like an iPhone. Damn. I believe this is the power bank itself. In the box we have this. Oh, we have a pouch for storage. Travel bag. And in the bag I believe. Yeah, we have USB to USB. This is just a user manual. Alright, let's take it out of the box. And satisfying peel. It's quite heavy. Yeah, the interesting thing about this is that you can charge your whole laptop with it. Let's see, let's power it on. It's at 25% right now. I also saw that if you press it too many times, it gets angry. Yeah, it's like it can be upside down and give you the information. It could be like this. This is the ultimate machine. Let's go. You know what, let me just show you guys one sec. That's my laptop. By the way, this is how I control the LGBTQ lights, you know. So yeah, this is the Anker. Is it touchscreen? No, it only has one button. Damn. So it can charge your laptop, but right now it's not charging, it's just plugged in. So I want to see if it comes to that sign, you know, the charging symbol. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna unplug this. I'm gonna put the real charging cable and see if it works. Now it's plugged in. It's showing that it's taking 40 watts to the computer. So yeah, there you guys can see that now it's charging. The symbol. Oh, that is just my math test that I'm probably failing. Oh, it says 0%? Really? Wait, right now it was just at 24%. What just happened? Oh, and it stopped even charging. I will recharge it. So I connected 61 watt MacBook charger. It also shows how much percent it's charged. As you can see, it's, you know, 5% on the dot, like 5.45, and like how much hours it will take to charge. What it's taking in. Screen is very awesome. I want to do the angry face again, one sec. So when it's charging or is charging something else, it doesn't do the angry face. By the way, you can connect it to your 20 watt iPhone charger. However, it's gonna take longer to charge. Like it says, it's gonna be 3 hours and 41 minutes. It's gonna take longer, but it is gonna charge. But yeah, that was just an unboxing for this. I will charge it up and put it in another video to see how it holds up in a week and how long it lasts. Maybe a year, 2 years, how many cycles. Do like and subscribe, you know. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna be traveling. I'm gonna be traveling and charging my laptop alongside with it. It also has one USB-A and 2 USB-C. But yeah, that's about it. Bye.